same name. It's a conservation area.
It's a pretty little park. Picnic area. Oh shoot, I didn't bring any money. I think it cost $2 to get in. Oh, okay.
Doesn't say an amount anywhere.
So we don't know the name of this. Well, we do know the name of this fall. So we don't know how to pronounce the name of the falls, and hopefully we'll be able to glean something from some of the signs that are along the way. That's a nice picture. This overlook is in memory of Myron and Mike and Margaret Lotto, a longtime residents of the town of Ledgeview. Their love of family and commitment to their church and community defines who they were. As advocates of our natural environment, they supported the development of the Fonferek Glen as a park and conservatory, and it was dedicated in 2019. That's pretty.
Yeah, I can say that. That's pretty natural.
Yeah. Located on the Bower Creek, the falls drop 30 feet into the glen. After a long day of driving, it was nice to pause for a while and just listen to the waterfall and enjoy the view. We saw several people hop a fence and continue on a path that looked like it was closed. We opted to go to the right and follow around to the top of the falls. It was a beautiful view up here. So the waterfall was just about maybe a 300-foot walk from the parking lot. Well worth the stop if you're in the area. It was a little hard to find using Google Maps, but we used our road app and got here just fine. It's got a beautiful prairie if you like to take pictures of wildflowers.